thing has been parking for years and years and years. The problem with this car is it doesn't take gears. It's a big class with a 651 engine. Yeah, look closely. You can see this thing has been parking for years and years. So the owner said, can we have a look on it? Check it from there. Yeah. So let's work on it. We check it from there. Let's just open the engine. This is the status of the engine. Put this water for now. Okay. This is the status of the engine, the 651. What these wires for now? I'll show you something. Another trick that I saw in this car. The owner saying the car is starting, it's cranking, but not starting. So they take this wire, they put on a relay here. This wire is coming to the start, so when you're swinging, the car will crank, not starting. It's a bypass. So this is for us. We don't work with these things. We make the car right. Let's go through it and have a look and see what's the way forward. But we must chow this one. We must chow this car. Because we bought a new gearbox. Here's another gearbox. They changed the gearbox, they changed the valve body. But still the car cannot start and drive. I don't know why. So I'm with Mabasa today. It's not Mabasa. Yeah, it's Mabasa there. Trying to check this car and yeah, but it depends on the man. Yebo. Alright. Sanbona. Suyenze le Mercedes. Awudumise Mabasa bayibone lapha. Siyaduma manje Mercedes. Nobhudu ubhudu babumade. Abanye niyamazi vele. KZN yonke niyamazi. Ku 60 km per hour. But siyabonga isupport. Ungabe ujabulile into esiyenzile ini.
Hey, njengobona ismile nje ebusweni bami. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Imoto yami isihlala isikhathi eside ingahambi, ingadumi. So ngibonga nje ukuthi nifike nithatha isikhathi senu kwi-weekend nifike nizozama. Nampela ukuzama kwenu kuyabonakala. So hayi sengiyaqala ngiyajabula sengizoke ngime ukuhamba imoto yomsebenzi.
Exactly. Busaziwa nje mohamba nje bayibona nje.